Good evening. It is 5:26 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. It is 2-15-2025. So, the last episode we just discussed that Lansing, part of Michigan, let's do this, Prox right here, was in a winter storm advisory, and then half of Michigan was in a winter storm warning. Well, everything was shifted, so mostly part of Michigan is in a winter storm advisory, winter weather advisory. But parts from the west are in a winter storm warning. In parts of Canada. Now, it looks like, according to the storm, that, like I said, one single storm caused this much damage on the screen. Now, it looks like it could turn to a hurricane, but this is a reminder that hurricanes don't form up north. Why? Well, that's pretty much because a hurricane has to form in warm water. It has to have sunlight, water, etc. Now, and a low pressure and high pressure. Now, of course, the storm can go to the west and turn to a hurricane. Yeah. But it's not hurricane season anymore, so now I see that very, very unlikely. Let's read our winter weather advisory. Now, winter weather advisory is coming from Lansing, Kalamazoo, Coldwater, etc. So anything in yellow. Logically, anything in yellow is a winter storm advisory. Just point that up. So what does it say? Good question. Let's read it. It says here, what mixed precipitation, additional snow accumulations between 2 and 4 inches, and ice accumulations around a lake glaze. Winds gusting up as high 40 miles per hour on Sunday, where Eaton, Ingraham, Allegan, and Berry counties. When until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Sunday. Impacts plan on slippery road conditions. Summary: slow down and use caution while traveling. Issued by the National Weather Service of Grand Rapids, Michigan. Okay, so wait. Okay, so logically, Grand Rapids, Michigan basically issued... Okay, so half of it was issued. Now, if you can't see it, which I was doing, you can see there's these boundaries here, which I would explain in 1 second. So, just my laptop. So, every time... Now, like I said, using Microsoft Word. Now, every time you see like this border, you know, I'm even drawing it out. Okay, 1 quick sec. May not be exact, but so every time you see like this border that I just drew out, it usually means that another National Weather Service issued a warning. That's what it usually means. Also, sometimes I don't post videos. I usually sometimes leave a reason why, like I'm sick or I'm on vacation, I'm taking a break, because I can't post videos every day. I try sometimes, but sometimes, and I'm like, I don't feel like it. Check those out in my channel page in the community where I post most of the time. So, yes, let's see. This one, I think, yep, so, got a request by somebody. Now, Petoskey here, which we'll watch our radar here, which I will tell you where the storm is going. Actually, a better idea. Here's Petoskey. We're just going to click you. We're just going to click you and watch it. So we just got to see full forecast. Here's our full forecast for today. So it'll be snowing all day until approx, let's say 5 to 6 p.m. But then starting from 7 a.m. it'll be snowing all day. Wait. Huh? Can I please go back? What did I do something? Oh, here it is. Today at 12 a.m. it's gonna snow all day until approx around 6 p.m. And then 6 a.m. it'll start snowing again all the way until Monday. I'm sorry. Wait, I'm sorry. Sadly, after the new update, it's just so after their new update, I just get really okay. Wait with the list. What does the list do? So we're gonna go back to today. So today, 12 a.m. snowing all the way around approx around 6 p.m. Excuse me. Then on Sunday at 6 a.m. it'll start snowing again. Then Monday. Wait. Can I do it? This is much better. So, today is snowy, but then 6 p.m. and then after perhaps around 5 to 6 p.m. ish, it'll just be cloudy for the rest of the day. But then on Sunday, expect light snowfall. That will be starting at 6 a.m. It'll continue snowing all the way until 11 p.m. Then Monday it'll just be some light snow showers starting from 2 a.m. through 6 p.m. Then the pattern keeps so on, so on. So let's look at Lansing's weather, and then we'll move on to some other weather. Let's see forecast. I guess I clicked what did I click? So here's today's weather. Good idea. I think I can just do it from here, right? That's an idea. Alan, my weather, favorite. Okay, let's see. I did before. So, there we go. Okay. Today, it'll just be cloudy all day, which is just snowed a couple minutes ago. But then Sunday, 1 a.m. we'll have some light snow until 11 a.m. And then 6 p.m. snow, then 7 p.m. will stop, and then, Michigan weather is so confusing. And then, mostly it'll just be sunny, mostly cloudy. Lansing's not going to get a lot of snow, but up north it's going to have a lot. Trust me. And it's not from our other forecast. Let's go to Florida. Pressure news. You can't believe it. Not to get grossed out a lot of things. So that's our rate report, Charlotte. Okay, no. This is a reminder that what you see overall on this radar that you see on the bottom, it goes by some increments. It doesn't. So if I had to, I have to actually radar, which it appears Florida might be a bit, but then, let's see, it packs around 9... This just packs around Saturday at 9:20 p.m. That's today. It's like a rain cloud would just appear out of nowhere. But that's the weather cycle. If you don't know what the weather cycle is, you can watch some of my other videos. I do explain what the weather cycle is, which I don't have time. Okay. Let's take Port Charlotte, Florida today. At first, don't look at Florida's severe weather. Ooh. Okay, starting. Ooh. That's surprising. So it appears from a lot of Kentucky is actually in a flood watch, wind advisory. I'm not going to read all of these to you. I wish, but I don't have that kind of time. But I do say this: Florida and rip current shaking kind from West Palm Beach and Fort Lauderdale, hang over to almost to North Key Largo. Oh, here's a bridge that connects them. Now, please, it's all what it's saying, so don't stay in the water. Now, remember, even without an advisory, there is still, I'll say it again, there is still rip currents that can take you out, but the likely is very small. Just swim near your lifeguard. Don't swim towards the. Let's say you're getting sucked out to sea. If you're thinking you could swim against it, you're wrong. It's super sharp. I see. Yeah, if you watch movies, you're like, hey, I made it through a rip current. Yay, let's do it again, and I survived. Blah blah blah. Yeah, no. That is not gonna happen. You know what is actually gonna happen? You get sucked out. You go bye-bye into the ocean. Oh, lucky for you. Excuse me. Lucky for you, if you swim if you're getting sucked out to sea, I think you can swim to the left, parallel, not toward the beach, but you can make wider turns and hopefully get out of that. I still explain that. So I'll explain it here just for you guys. So, get sucked out to sea. I said this before. If you think you make it, well, unfortunately, you're wrong. I'm sorry. Excuse me. Logically, what happens is you get sucked out to sea, and if you think you can make it swim back in, well, as I was saying before, that is wrong. So what do? Well, instead, when you get sucked out to sea, make wider turns. So if you get sucked out to sea, make wider turns like this. Now, of course, you don't make that wide turn. Now, what that does is it can make you go on the rip current. Now, scream for help. Also, swim near lifeguard. Also, if you get sucked out to sea, remember to swim, not only make wider turns, but at the same time, you can go like this. What am I doing? Well, I'm eating X. What I'm trying to simulate here is, let's say what I'm trying to say is I made an X. That I went arrow this way, arrow like that. What I'm trying to say is you can go left to right. Just don't swim against it. Just don't. Part of Florida's in a wind advisory in effect. Also, I wonder if they made Gulf of America, which will be very interesting to hear. Moving on, we gotta get a warning for Lake Michigan now. Like I said, it's a reminder that Lake Michigan, Lake Huron are very unpredictable. I'm sorry, Michigan's unpredictable because of Lake Michigan and Lake Huron. Now, I usually sometimes I like to do tours in cities. So I just make this real quick. Just make it quick and just be done. Come on for a second, please. Welcome to Tampa. Now, Tampa, fun fact of the day, did you know Tampa is actually in, Florida, which it appears Tampa is, it's actually a great place, here's a car. Now, this is, if you can see, a Google Maps car. Person. Yeah. So, here's Tampa Bay, if you don't know. Not Tampa, Florida. Tampa, Florida's like a great place. Orlando's better. Go to Disneyland. Okay. And here's the big city. In fact, I want to make this quick. I want to go to the big city. Go, 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 go. On to the big city, folks. You like big city, which I somewhat do, but that's 3 years. Whoops. Oh wait, where's the Google Maps car? Wait, sometimes they tell you, oh. How did I end up on top of a Tesla? Is this thing a... Huh? Is this thing... It's not. Okay. Okay, well, thank you so much for watching this episode. Have a great day and better day tomorrow.